Alright, what is going on, everybody? Assalamu alaikum. Just wanted to make this video going over how I handle losses. The reason why I wanted to make this video is because I lost 5% today. Now, you might be wondering, Syed, you lost 5%? Like, did you gamble your money? Did you not follow proper risk management? No, I was just following my trading plan exactly how it should be traded, and I just happened to lose. It's going to happen. Sometimes you're going to win, sometimes you're going to lose. Today, market was down on the day, and so as you guys know, I'm shifting more towards swing trading, and I'm shifting more towards swing trading breakouts specifically. So the overall market conditions are going to play a very big factor, right? Because stocks just correlate with the overall market. Overall market's up, chances are the stocks will also go up. Overall market's down, stocks will most likely also go down, right? Hope that makes sense. But yeah, I'm just gonna showcase to you guys some of the trades that I've took and what ended up happening with them. And just to show you guys what happens when you trade, this is reality, right? Some days you're gonna make a lot of money, some days you're going to lose a lot of money. Recently, I was doing really well with swing trading, guys, and today I ended up losing a lot. It's just gonna happen, guys. It's normal. So you notice this was a trade that I had partials running in, and you just end up noticing that we end up getting took out at break even at this point in time. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. Can't really do anything about it. Going on to the next trade, this one really sucked, guys, because you'll notice, guys, we had a very tight range happening, and then we got this breakout here. We were in profit. It was running really well. I thought, cool, great breakout that I caught. And today, again, the market was down. So the market gapped down overnight, and because of that, this stock ended up opening over here. Now it sucks because where do you see my stop loss, guys? My stop loss is over here. So I ended up taking a 2% loss. I lost 1% on my account per trade, guys. I ended up losing 2% or losing 2%, unfortunately, just because of the fact that it ended up gapping down. And this is the issue with swing trading, guys. Sometimes the stocks will gap up, sometimes they will gap down, and you literally can't do anything about that. It's just the way stocks work. Like over here, you'll notice, again, we had a gap down. Over here, you'll notice we had a gap up, right? Closes over here, opens over here. Now, sometimes it'll work in your favor, like over here. If you bought over here, you just had a massive gap up. Other times, it's not going to work in your favor. Like over here, closes over here, massive gap down. So I ended up losing double what I thought I would lose on this trade. It's unfortunate, can't really do anything about it. Here we have over here. This trade is probably going to lose right now as well, soon enough. So it'll be 6% on the day that I lost. Again, unfortunate, can't really do anything about it. This trade ended up taking partials, and I would have got stopped out. I did get stopped out of break even. This trade, same thing, took partials, stopped out of break even, or not yet, but most likely will soon enough. Same thing with this AMD. Again, you'll notice, guys, that these trades were looking really well, right? Again, I'm following my trading plan to the T. We had this breakout. We were running in profit by a lot. We were about to take a partial on, but unfortunately, we just ended up getting stopped out. So can't really do anything about that, guys. Again, it's unfortunate. It's gonna happen. Again, market open and I ended up losing. This trade took partials already and haven't really done anything on it. This trade, one of them, again, guys, you'll notice, breakout, in profit, gaps down, and then you see we end up losing. And I think this was the last one. This one was very sad because we were so close to moving our stop loss to break even. And unfortunately, we had a massive gap down. Like, what is this gap down? Yeah, so it gapped down like 4%, guys. Unfortunately, it took me out. And it's unfortunate. It is what it is, guys. I also got a bad entry on this. Can't really do anything about it. So, yeah. So you guys might be wondering, Said, when you take these many losses, what do? I don't do anything. Like, you might be wondering, like, am I going to risk more tomorrow? No. Am I going to risk less tomorrow? No. Am I still going to trade tomorrow? Yes. I'm just going to follow my strategy. It's as simple as that. Like, a lot of you guys overcomplicate these things. When you lose, if you followed your trading plan, you took good trades. It's as simple as that. It sucks that you lost, but you still took good trades. Those trades that I took matched my criteria. They were good trades. Point blank period. And I'm like, you can say, like, but you lost 5% a day. Yeah. But guys, decisions that you make aren't good decisions based on the outcome, right? If you were to gamble your mortgage payment, I literally just lost EU as well. Okay, so now we're down 6% on the day. If you were to gamble your mortgage payment and you doubled your money, or your rent payment or whatever, right? You doubled your money. That's not a good decision just because you made money, just because you doubled your money, right? Decisions are not based on outcomes, right? If you were to study an extra hour, and if you were to study 10 hours, right, for a test, and you failed that test, it wasn't a bad idea to study for the test, even though you failed the test. You get what I'm saying? So the decisions aren't good or bad decisions. They're not based off the outcome. It's based on what you knew when you were taking the decisions. Before you studied for the test, when you were deciding what to do, it was a good decision because you knew, hey, test is coming up, I need to study. Before you gamble your money, it was a bad decision because you know I really need this payment. I really need this money to make rent, and I can lose all the money from gambling. I probably shouldn't do this, but you ended up doing it anyways. Okay, so with these trades, right, they were all good trades. They were all good breakouts. You'll notice what happens in a breakout, guys. Price pops up really quickly, right? You have a strong run up really quickly. Most of the setups that I took had that happening, right? Some of them didn't, I'll admit, right? So, you know, those could just be bad breakouts, or they could just be breakouts that are going to occur in the next couple of days, right? But you'll notice a couple of those trades, a couple of them, like 3 or 4 of those, they were really fast breakouts. They were really good breakouts. And they just ended up losing because the market gapped down. I can't control that, guys. I don't control the market. I just know that when the market's moving in an upward direction, I should be taking breakouts. So I was doing that, and I ended up losing. But these same exact trade setups that I took on these losing trades were the same exact trade setups that I took a couple of days ago that I've been winning trades, right? I showed you guys some winners, showed you guys some trades that were in winners. I'm on my stop loss to break even. I closed out partials, you know, and the partials got took out of break even, but I did secure some profits on those, right? So, you know, they're winning trades, they're losing trades, but at the end of the day, guys, I was following my trading plan. So how do I deal with losers? Well, it's about looking at my trading plan. I've talked about this before in the free trading course that I released. Every single time for a beginner, you should print out your trading plan. And before you take a trade, every single time, you should look at your trading plan. And my trading plan, right? I don't have it printed out. I don't have it written, but I have it in my head. It's memorized. And I'm disciplined enough now to be able to just follow it without needing it visually in front of me and checking it every single trade. But I checked over my trading plan in my head and I followed every single thing. Stocks were in an uptrend. Stocks pulled back. They were in consolidation. Volume started to dry up. I saw the price action candlestick patterns that I wanted to take. I took entries off the highs. I followed everything. Right? This was my trading plan. I've covered some winners, right, as well, and I won those trades because I just did the smart things. In fact, let me show you one right now. Oh, hold on. Come on. This stock, right? This is a massive gainer, massive winner, right? But you'll notice it's the same exact thing. Strong run up, pullback, volumes dying down, breakout of the highs. Like, again, what's the difference, guys, between this trade and this trade? The one that I just lost. Can you notice anything? Yeah, the charts might look a little bit different, but overall, it's the same thing. What's the difference between this trade, guys, and this trade? Nothing. It's the same exact trade. That's what I'm trying to get to you guys, right? This line is kind of a little bit different. It honestly should be like this. I thought I moved it, but I didn't. But you'll notice, again, same thing. Pull back, move up, pull back, move up, pull back. Like, it's the same exact thing. All right. So how do I handle losses? How do I handle winners? I don't handle them at all. I just take them. I just take the trades, whether they win or they lose, because they follow my trading plan. So that's the whole idea behind it. I'm not afraid to take trades and lose. I'm not afraid to take trades and win because I'm following my trading plan. Over the long run, I'm going to make money. Does it suck right now that I lost money on this trade? Yeah. But guess what? There are times that you're going to have big winners, and those big winners are going to be the ones that make your crazy gains, and that are going to those are going to turn you profitable. Now, unfortunately, guys, I wasn't trading breakouts when this trade occurred, but this is one of those trades that would have had a massive breakout. Is this the one? Was it this one? Hmm. It was definitely one of them. Let me see. Let me see if I can find it real quick. I could have sworn I had it already saved up. Oh, I think it was this one. Hold on. Give me 1 second, guys. Technical difficulties. Okay, well, regardless, guys, this is the exact same one. Not the same exact thing per se, but works out nonetheless, right? So what do you see over here? Now, again, this is like one of those trades, guys, that like, yes, you capture it? Yeah. Is it gonna be hard to? Not really, right? Because look, first trade, first pullback, right over here. Okay, I would have took it right at these highs, break of these highs. Okay, God dang it, this is annoying, right? First pullback right over here, bam, take it, lose it, right? Unfortunate, can't really do anything about it, right? Second trade, where would I take the second trade? So we have this trade, right? And this was a pretty good candlestick, and I would have took it, and I would have lost. Then we have this candlestick right over here, right? And then we have a close, we have a gap down, and we have a bullish close. That's giving me enough bullish momentum today. You'll notice next candle, we literally break the highs of that candle. Okay, so I'll put a stop loss at the lows right over here. You'll notice we never got took out. And then you'll notice in the next couple of days what ends up happening. Next couple of days, bam, we end up hitting a 1 to 2, would have moved my stop loss to break even, and then what do you see? We just see a massive rocket up. Now look, guys, would I still be in this trade? 100%. 100%, I'd still be in this trade, right? And I'd be up 44%, 44R. Now good, I've already closed half my position, so technically speaking, this would be 22R, right? But you can capture these trades. It's the same exact setup that I took in SOXL that I won and EU that I just lost, right? This is what I'm waiting for, these massive, massive trades. Am I going to catch them every single day? No. Am I going to catch them every single week? No. Every month? Probably not. But when they happen, they're going to make you crazy money. This trade right now would be running 23% in profit with you already securing 1%. Do you know how insane that is, guys? 23%. If you make 23% in 6 months, you're a fantastic trader. If you make 23% in a year, you've beat the market. This would have made you that on one trade right now. There's a pullback, maybe. Right? Maybe it doesn't stop you out for 44. Maybe it stops you out for like 16, for 30. And then you only bank 15%, right? Maybe it stops you out like over here, right? Maybe. I don't know. I can't tell you anything, guys. But what I can tell you is you capture 1 or 2 of these and you've made a lot of money. And you don't have to capture these all the time, right? You can capture 1 to 5s. You can capture 1 to 4s. But trading the same exact way that I traded when I took those 5 losses, right now, 6 technically, will allow you to capture these big trades. So what does this tell you? You just have to follow your trading plan. And over the long run, you're going to make money. Do you think, guys, if I caught that trade, do you think I would care about these 6 losses? No, because I'm up 22% on one trade, 23% on one trade. Now, again, I haven't caught that trade because I didn't try trading. I wasn't trading breakouts at the time. So it's very unfortunate, guys. If I literally just traded on, what is that, like a couple of weeks before, I would have caught that trade. It's unfortunate. Can't really do anything about it. But hey, that's just life, right? That is life. Now, here's the thing. Will one of these trades end up playing out again? Yeah. I can guarantee in the next year, I'll probably find 1 to 3 setups again that play out like this setup I just showed you, that go 20-40% in profit for me. And I will document it on YouTube. So if you don't believe me, subscribe and I'll document it soon enough. But it'll come from following my trading plan. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Whether I take these losses, whether I take these winners, they'll come from following my trading plan. Following my trading plan over the long run will make me money. So how do I deal with losses? I just know that over the long run, I'm going to make money. Over the long run, I'll capture a big move and I'll start to make money. That's how I deal with the losses. I hope that made sense to you guys. I don't want to beat a dead horse. I don't want to continue talking about the same exact thing. But that's it for this video, guys. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. Assalamu alaikum.